There are some gadgets out there that are hard to find, but certainly worth it when you do get your hands on them. So to help you out with the search, we'll introduce you to the 10 coolest gadgets that you can buy right now. Let's get started. Welcome the future of charging convenience with the Anker 735 charger, a true tech marvel that goes above and beyond the ordinary. With the power to charge 3 devices at once, this charger features 2 USB-C ports and a trusty USB-A port, ensuring that your phone, laptop, and earbuds can all sip from the same power source. But it doesn't stop there. Connect just one device and watch in awe as it sips power at an impressive 65-watt range, giving you a head start on the day ahead. The secret sauce behind the charging dynamo is Anker Power IQ 4.0 technology, which employs dynamic power distribution to detect your device's unique power requirements and seamlessly adjust the output for maximum efficiency. The result? The gadgets come to life up to 30 minutes faster, freeing you from the agonizing wait for that battery bar to fill up. Your phones, tablets, and even energy-hungry laptops are in for a treat, as the Anker 735 charger also incorporates USB Power Delivery 3.1 for rapid, dependable charging. Plus, it comes with a cable built to endure the rigors of daily use, boasting a remarkable 35,000 bin lifespan. This isn't just a charging accessory, it's a modern-day essential for tech enthusiasts who demand nothing less than efficiency, speed, and longevity in their power solutions. So what are you waiting for? Say farewell to the charging struggles of yesterday and hello to the Anker 735 charger, a charger that ensures your smartphone, notebook, and earbuds are always ready to go, all from a single power source.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Can we all agree that managing all the cables can be a bit troublesome? But not anymore, as the Cable Card is here to save the day. How? Well, Cable Card is as small and nifty as a credit card and stores your essential phone accessories without any fuss. In other words, it is a multifunctional cable essential that packs 6 types of cables in a card, including USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning cables all in one. The cable that comes with the card are generous too, with a length of 29 centimeters. So it's obvious that Cable Card is a better and wise option than having individual long and clumsy cables for individual purposes. And the most fascinating feature of all, when Cable Card is plugged in, it becomes a wireless charging dock to even charge your devices. So with or without a wire, Cable Card is here to save the day. Your regular pen may be enough to write your everyday chores, but this Olight O-Pen Glow is something different. It's an innovative everyday carry companion that seamlessly combines a pen, LED light, and a green pointer beam in one sleek design. No need to juggle tools. This multifunctional device has you covered for writing, reading, and even presentations. The rear-mounted white light switch and separate laser switch simplify operation, ensuring efficiency when you need it most. Charging is a breeze with the newly designed base, keeping your O-Pen Glow powered up and ready. Its slim yet durable build ensures a comfortable grip for extended use, while the added lock function ensures worry-free carrying. Whether you're navigating daily tasks or embarking on various activities, this lightweight gem is your go-to companion. Plus, the adjustable brightness of the pen clip LED light ranging from 5 to 120 lumens adapts to your lighting needs. Elevate your EDC game with the Olight O-Pen Glow, where convenience meets style. When the night gets dark and tricky, there's always a sidekick to eliminate the darkness and guide you through the path. With its unparalleled convenience, Sidekick is something everyone needs. It has 3 output levels to choose from that users can use just by a press of a button. Inside its tough polymer body, there's a lithium polymer battery that can be easily charged via USB. Its small size is a big plus, as it can be easily disguised as a keychain and hidden inside pockets. Surprisingly, despite such a small size, it still has a max output of 300 lumens. All this capability from a palmer-bodied rechargeable FOB-shaped light. There's nothing like it, and it's priced for everyone. Lastly, for everyday use, Sidekick didn't forget about the IPX4 protection for uninterrupted performance. Here, we have the Rive Striker, a compact multi-tool designed to seamlessly integrate into your everyday carry essentials. Crafted from AUS 88 Japanese heat-treated steel, this palm-sized powerhouse is more than meets the eye. Boasting a sharp box cutter, bottle opener, hammer, pry, and screw functionalities, the Rive Striker is your all-in-one solution for various tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the pocket clip adds an element of convenience, ensuring it's always within reach. Whether you're unraveling paracord or tackling household chores, the multi-tool is your dependable companion, combining versatility and portability for a truly enhanced EDC experience. Get ready to elevate your daily routine with this multi-tool marvel, where form and function unite effortlessly. The Phantom X is one of the most innovative and minimalist wallets. With its compact and modular design, it offers a space-efficient solution for storing all your essentials right in your front pocket. From cards and cash to receipts, coins, business cards, and even keys, the Phantom X can accommodate it all. When it comes to style, this smart wallet doesn't disappoint. It comes in 3 distinct finish options, allowing you to choose between authentic carbon fiber, bamboo, and walnut. You can also select from 3 different capacities, catering to your specific needs and requirements. Despite its sleek and lightweight design, the Phantom X is built to last. Rigorous stress tests and the use of top-notch materials ensure unparalleled quality, while the patented fanning mechanism holds your cards securely until you need them, preventing unwanted movement. Moreover, RFID protection is integrated to safeguard your cards from unauthorized scanning, and the Apple AirTag holder makes it easy to locate your loose wallet. Ever imagine having a reliable source of extra energy conveniently stored in your keychain? With the Rolling Square Tau, now you can. Unlike traditional bulky power banks that take up valuable pocket space, the Tau is designed to be compact, smart, and incredibly convenient. It ensures that you have access to essential power when you need it the most, all while staying right on your keychain. One of the standout features of the Tau is its ingenious combination of a micro USB and a Lightning port. This dual-port design allows you to charge a wide range of devices, including both Android and Apple devices, without the need for multiple cables or adapters. Additionally, the Tau is equipped with a Type-C port, enabling quick charging capabilities for compatible devices. What sets the Tau apart is its smart proprietary charging dock. This dock ensures that the Tau remains charged and ready for use whenever you need it. Simply place the Tau on the dock and it will automatically start charging, eliminating the need to constantly monitor and recharge the device manually. Next up, the KeySmart CleanLight Mini is a game-changing portable UV light sterilizer designed to enhance the hygiene of your surroundings. With its compact and mini-sized form, this device brings the power of UVC ray-emitting light to eliminate microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses, making your environment cleaner and safer. Powered by your smartphone, this innovative sterilizer utilizes UVC rays to eradicate up to 99.99% of harmful microorganisms. Simply connect the CleanLight Mini to your smartphone using either the USB-C or Lightning variant, depending on your device, and let it work its magic. The CleanLight Mini is a versatile solution that caters to both iPhone and Android users, ensuring capability and ease of use for a wide range of individuals. Regardless of your smartphone model, you can rely on the CleanLight Mini to provide effective and efficient sterilization whenever and wherever you need it. In a world where maintaining cleanliness and hygiene is more important than ever, the KeySmart CleanLight Mini offers a practical and portable solution. Fenix eSpark Ultra Thin is a slim and compact EDC flashlight with a unique design that combines lightning and power bank versatility in one compact unit. Measuring only 0.31 inches thick, it is thinner than most mobile phones, making it extremely easy to carry with you everywhere. You can either attach it to your keychain or slip it in your back pocket, and it's perfect for any time you need quick illumination or your phone's battery needs a boost. The eSpark has a maximum output of 100 lumens and a 100-foot beam distance, providing plenty of light for day-to-day tasks like searching for lost items or lighting up a dark path. It also includes a red LED for easy nighttime navigation or reading, or for use as an emergency signal. The flashlight is rechargeable via USB Type-C and has an 800 mAh battery power bank that can charge your phone about 10 to 15%. Meet the ShareGeek Storm 2 Slim, a unique and prestigious battery pack to keep those devices charged up. Now, the first thing everyone will love is its clean and transparent design, adding a distinctive look to it. And if someone personally loves the design of nothing phones, then this one's a must-have. 20,000 mAh of capacity will never leave its user drained out, while proper fast charging capabilities will ensure things are more rapid. But most importantly, unlike most others in this category, Storm 2 Slim is even permitted on board, so forget about reaching any business meeting with a low battery. So that concludes our list of the 10 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.